Hello guys, so as you can see I am in my 2x4 kitchen. But today I felt like eating some soup, Bajan soup. So I said to myself, well, the only way I'm gonna get it is if I make it. And thankfully your boy can actually cook. So today will be the first time I guess you guys will be seeing me actually cooking. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how I make Bajan soup. Bajan soup is very basic. It literally is, well, it's a chicken soup and it has in sweet potatoes, it has in carrots, pumpkin, dumplings. Can't forget the dumplings. Dumplings are the most important part of Bajan soup. I mean, we can have a discussion about that in the comments if y'all want, but for me, it ain't Bajan soup unless it got in dumplings. I said what I said. If it don't got in dumplings, I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. So yeah, the interesting thing is I was trying to find flour here, like regular wheat flour, but it seems as though they don't really have regular wheat flour, so I only found rice flour. So that is gonna be, I guess, a little different, but I'll let you guys know how how different the dumplings taste with rice flour. So that's the only difference, but I got everything else. Yeah, so we gonna make some soup today. Yeah, let's go. So your chicken, I have some like wings and some breasts, but really and truly you could put whatever chicken you want in it. I just got what was most convenient for me, so whatever chicken you get, it don't matter. You could put backs in soup, you could put chicken feet in soup, you could put thighs, you could put whatever you want in the soup. So yeah, so the first step that I'm gonna do is go ahead and season the chicken. Ideally, you season the chicken the night before or a couple of days before so that all the seasoning soaks in, get that rich. Tell you, the chicken, it just tastes different. But I ain't got that sort of time, so I seasoning it now and then making the soup right away. But yeah, this is the first step. Let's go. Oh wait, the first step, guys. Always remember to wash your hands before you start cooking. So let me do it. So people like to lime and salt their chicken. I don't lime and I wash my chicken in lime and salt. So I just like put on some lime salt and then I wash it and then I wash it off because I personally don't like the limey taste, but everybody is different. So Okay guys, so we done cut out everything. I left the chicken to season at first, and then we cut out our onions, sweet peppers, pumpkin, carrots, and sweet potatoes. I honestly, cutting up the pumpkin was really hard. I don't know why, but it just was really hard. So I like to have everything cut up before I start, so that once I start, it's just a flow. You just put in, and you just watch it. I found one of the biggest things with soup it's just time. It just needs time for everything to mix together and for everything to look good. Because first I saute the onions and the sweet peppers, and then I add the chicken in to start to let the chicken cook. And dumplings are added in last. So everything, so first I go onions, chicken, let the chicken cook, and then I start adding some water, and then I will add the other things, the pumpkin and the carrot and stuff. And then the dumplings is going last because, yeah, they don't need a lot of time to cook. It's just a little dough, and yeah. So let's get cooking. Alright, hi guys, so I'm back here. So remember how I was telling you about this rice flour? Whatever this is not going in my stew, okay? And if you can smell it, it smells like rice. Oh, like rice. It actually does smell like rice flour because that is what it is. And I'm just like, I am not spoiling the soup that I already have. Honestly, a Bajan soup is not soup without dumplings. So I guess today, this is not a Bajan soup because it's ridiculous. This is disgusting. So I'm gonna really have to try and find some wheat flour. I pray to God I can find some because this ain't it. This ain't it. Nope. Alright, hi guys. So I'm coming back to y'all here in pain because this thing that I just made here, this thing, it's not good. It's actually not horrible, but it's definitely not the best. Like, I've done better than this for sure. So I'm a little bit disappointed because that was a lot of fucking work. But just coming to let you guys know that that was my first attempt. It was not good. This is not good. Also, there are no dumplings in it, so which makes it horrible. And it's not giving. But obviously, you know, I'm gonna eat it because of all that work I just put in. So, but thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned. This was my failed attempt at making Bajan soup in Japan. So stay tuned to see what I come with next time. Yeah, hopefully it'll be more successful than this. Because this isn't it. Alright guys, so this is the soup a day after, and it got thicker and the flavor was actually better the next day, so maybe it just needed a little more time. Your boy wasn't that bad, man. So maybe it was a failed attempt. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And see you next time.